Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can update your CV using Claude AI. Just search for Claude AI, enter, sign in. Just write, I want update my CV to PDF format, okay? It asks me to upload my CV. Click this one, add files. That's my CV. Open, run. Change it to modern CV. Should I keep your photo and the university logo in the new design? Yes, keep both. For example, remove both. I don't want my image. Any preferred color style? Professional blue. I want professional blue. It's failed to show the CV in sidebar, so you can download it from here. We have in Word docs and in PDF. I download it in PDF. Save. Show in folder. Double click on it. That's my new CV. The first one, that's my first CV. Let's change it to this one. That's all. Have a nice time.